Okay, now we are going to start research aptitude. Two point five eight. Research is what is research? So research is a purposeful systematic activity. The research is always verifying of old knowledge, exploring new knowledge, and filling the gaps between the knowledge. All good research aims at that is developing generalizations, theories, and principles. A grand theory is what that is broad explanation of phenomena in a discipline, that is grand theory. The idea that knowledge comes from experiences, that is not imperialism. If that is experiences, then it's imperialism. A theory is defined as set of systematic related statement and law-like generalization. Epistemology refers to what is epistemology. So this is a type of interviewing technique. Epistemology means interviewing technique. Which of the following is a function of theory? So it is making the predictions. If there is a functions of theory, that is making the predictions. If we are making the prediction, that is the function of theory. Which of the following term explain the idea that knowledge comes from experiences? That is because of logic. In every field, research result pursuit promotes systematic and gradual advantage of knowledge. So that is D. That is what D? That is most people lack and depth of knowledge is needed for it. One of the following is not a quality of the researcher. 11 is a unison with that of which he is in research. Metaphysics means 12th is B. That is the exploring the nature of ultimate reality, that is ultimate reality is the metaphysics. The quality of research is judged by 13 is B. Methodology adopted in conducting the research, that is judged by the research. Which of the following is defined as a systematic method of evaluating static data? So that is known as B. Meta-analysis. The quality of research study is mainly evaluated by C. That is the rigor with which it was conducted. Which statement is not correct? That is D. A good researcher is a nice person. Which is the following periodical is specifically meant for publishing research work? 17 is C. That is general. Which of the following are the main task of research in modern society? Main task is to keep pace, to examine, criticalize, investigation of sources, to discover new things, to keep pace with the advancement in knowledge, to write a critics on the earlier writing. That's not true. Which of the following description is true in the context of defining the theory? So, theory is an organized body of the concept and principle intended to explain a particular phenomena. That is called as a theory. Research can be conducted by a person who possesses thinking and reasoning ability. The best quality of the researcher is what that is all about curiosity, active imagination, ability. The result of building up information from piece of information is known as B synthesis. The result of setting out a reasoned argument in a step is known as evaluation. A researcher is generally expected to generate new principles and theories. What do you consider as the main aim of the interdisciplinary research? That is to bring out holistic approach to the research. One of the essential characteristics of the research is generalizability. The depth of any research can be judged by 27 is B, that is objective of the research. Which of the following statement is true about the theory? And that is all of above. Explain the phenomena, how and why, and well developed. Which of the following is a function of the theory? 29 is D, that is all of above. The feasibility. So the feasibility of the research study generally depends upon 30 is the D, that is all of above. And empiricists believe that they believe knowledge is acquired through over sensory perception. The experimental study is what? 32 is C, is law of single variable and manipulation. What is the position held by the positivist as far as acquiring knowledge is concerned? That is concerned with scientific research should be based on value-free empirical observation. The approach which is based on the assumptions social phenomena can be explained. So social phenomena can be explained by positivism. Okay. Social phenomena by the positivism. An analogical question is usually about study of things outside ourselves and external reality. Now next, which of the following is not a characteristics of the researcher? 36 is D. Not versatile in the interest and even in his native ability. An important practical issue to consider while designing a research project is what? That is C, availability of time and other resources. Research can be classified as a, that is D, all of above. The two main approach of the research are was 39 is qualitative, quantitative. A researcher design an experiment to test how variable interest to influence how well children learn. 40 is A, that is the explanation. Qualitative research is what? That is primarily concerned with in-depth exploration of the phenomena, that is quality. Now next is 42. 42 is A. First is historical method, that is past event. Survey method, that was the present event. Philosophical method, that is vision. And the experimental method, that is future event. Which of the following research specify objectivity to discover fact and cause from the data gathered for the purpose? What are the purpose? That is 43 is a quantitative research is the purpose is there. Which of the classified category? Development research. Development research is D, all of above. In psychology and the education, experiment research is also termed as 45 is a SR, stimulus response research. Which of the following not the method of the research? 46 is A, that is observation is the not the method of the research. Now fundamental research is usually carried out by laboratory conditions. So fundamental research is carried out by laboratory conditions. The research head that applies the law at the time of field study to draw more and more clear idea. If there is a clear idea, that means that is applied research. The research which is exploring new facts. If there is the new fact, that is historical research. The scientific method can be 50 is C, both physical and social sciences. Action research is what? 51 is action research is research carried out to solve the immediate problem. In the method of naturalistic observation, 52 is C, that is set out the actively observed subject in their natural environment. Which of the following is which of the research development theoretical model empirically test model is determined how well and model fit to the data? That is the causal modeling. Next is match the following. 54 is D. So D is A is 2 means what? That is experimental is control, historical is criticism, case study is the intuitive, and ethnography is the interpretative. One of the aim of scientific method is what 55 is B. Eliminate spurious relationship. The term phenomenology is 56 is A, that is qualitative. Quality is a phenomenology. Which research is most appropriate to establish a relationship that is causal in nature? 57 is B, that is experimental. The important prerequisite research in science is what? 58 is B, supervisor, topic, critical analysis and the patients. Book and records are the primary source of the data, that was historical research. The type of research that tests hypothesis is explain how and why. 60 is C, that was explanatory research, that is a how and why. Okay, that is the explain karna. Fundamental research reflect the ability to. 61 is B, that is expound new principle. So fundamental research is the expound new principle, that is fundamental research. Now the classification of study into exploring and describing analytical predictive research is what? 62 is D, that was purpose. The strongest evidence for causality is what? 63 is A, that is experimental. One of the limitation of the case study is what? 64 is both. There are no control group. Which of the following is the research method? Term is control observation, that was the field experimentation is a control experiment. Fieldwork based research is classified as 66 is A, empirical. Which of the following not longitudinal design is not there? Cross sectional. When a researcher start with a dependent variable and move backward, so dependent variable, that is a retrospective research. The study in which the investigator attempt to trace the effect, if there is an effect, that is ex post facto research. The essence of experimental method is what? That is using control to identify cause and effect connection, that is the experimental method. Which research paradigm is based on the paradigm view of reality? If there is a reality, that is mixed research. Okay, which of the following not the match the generalization of the finding? 72 is B, quality. Quality is not the find generalization. Which of the following best describe quantitative research? 73 is D, research that attempt to generate a new theory, that is the quantity. All of the following are common character experimental research. 74 is D, that is all above. Which type of the research is likely to provide the strongest evidence about the existence of the cause and effect? 75 is B, that is experimental research. रिसर्च इन विच द रिसर्चर यूज़ द क्वालिटेटिव पैराडिग्म, अगर वो यूज़ कर रहा है तो मिक्स्ड मेथड होगा. रिसर्च दैट इज़ डन टू अंडरस्टैंड एन इवेंट फ्रॉम द पास्ट इवेंट, तो हिस्टोरिकल हो गया अगेन. एंड द टाइप ऑफ रिसर्च टिपिकली कंडक्टेड बाय टीचर एंड काउंसलर, जो रिसर्च करते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं एक्शन रिसर्च, जो कि इमीडिएट प्रॉब्लम के लिए होता है. विच फॉर्म ऑफ द प्रोसेस ड्राइंग द स्पेसिफिक कंक्लूजन फॉर सेट ऑफ प्रमाइस, से जो स्पेसिफिक कंक्लूजन होता है उसको हम डिडक्टिव कहते हैं. रिसर्च दैट इज़ टू एग्जामिन द फाइंडिंग ऑफ समवन एल्स यूजिंग द सेम वेरिएबल बट डिफरेंट पीपल. सेम वेरिएबल और डिफरेंट पीपल हो तो इसको रिप्लिकेशन कहते हैं. सेम वेरिएबल बट डिफरेंट पीपल, डिफरेंट और रिप्लिकेशन कहते हैं. विच साइंटिफिक मेथड इज ए टॉप डाउन कन्फर्मेटरी, अगर टॉप डाउन है तो इसको हम कहेंगे डिडक्टिव मेथड. एंड विच साइंटिफिक मेथड बॉटम अप, बॉटम से अप जा रहे हैं तो इसको हम कहेंगे इंडक्टिव मेथड. द मेथड ऑफ ड्राइंग कंक्लूजन बेस्ड ऑन द ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी इंस्टेंस, से जो ऑब्जर्वेशन करते हैं उसको डिडक्टिव मेथड कहते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ए कैरेक्टर इज गुड, थ्योरी में कुछ भी कैरेक्टर नहीं है उसको डी कहते हैं, ऑल ऑफ अबव. विच साइंटिफिक मेथड फॉलो दी स्टेप, तो 85 का हम क्या बोलते हैं, दैट इज ए, दैट इज इंडक्टिव. विच साइंटिफिक मेथड फॉलो द स्टेप्स ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड पैटर्न, दैट इज इंडक्टिव. 86 which scientific method is a top down conformity method? 86 is a deductive method, is top to down. which is for the associated with research, social science के अंदर जो research होता है उसको हम कहते हैं empirical research. which scientific method focus testing hypothesis developed from the theories में से जो develop किया जाता है उसको deductive कहते हैं. which scientific method focus generation new hypothesis, जब बनाया जाता है तो उसको inductive कहते हैं. which research method is most appropriate if researchers looking for a causal relationships, अगर देखते हैं तो experimental बोलते हैं. a field experiment is one that take place in, field experiment होता है real world में. characteristics of scientific method necessarily include, अगर scientific method है तो control observation होगा. कोरिलेशनल स्टडी क्या डिटरमाइन करती है, दैट इज़ 93, तो 93 का आंसर है डी, द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू इवेंट्स. तो क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च क्या होता है 94 का बी, इंडक्टिव इन नेचर होता है। विच इज़ फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ रिसर्च एसोसिएटेड थ्योरी को जनरेट करते हैं तो उसको 95 इज ए, इंडक्टिव कहते हैं। विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ रिसर्च एसोसिएटेड थ्योरी को टेस्ट करते हैं तो उसको हम कहते हैं बी, डिडक्टिव रिसर्च। अगर हम टेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो डिडक्टिव कहेंगे। नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ग्राम पंचायत होती है, एनरोलमेंट होता है और रूरल एलिमेंट्री स्कूल होता है। दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ दैट फील्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट। क्लासिफिकेशन, स्टडी इंटू एक्सप्लोरेशन, डिस्क्रिप्शन, एनालिटिकल, प्रेडिक्टिव जो होती है इसको हम कहते हैं पर्पस ऑफ द रिसर्च। रिसर्च स्टडी दैट टेक्स प्लेस ओवर ए लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में जो रिसर्च होता है उसको हम कहते हैं लॉन्गिट्यूडनल रिसर्च। द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल क्रॉस सेक्शनल में जो डिफरेंस होता है इसको फ्रीक्वेंसी डाटा कलेक्शन कहते हैं। डिफाइनिंग द हाइपोथेसिस यूजिंग वे अप्रोचिंग रिसर्च बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इज अलाउ द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टेस्टेबल प्रपोजिशन को अलाउ करता है। द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कंडक्ट द सेंट्रल 10 ईयर द मेथड ऑफ द रिसर्च यूज जो किया जाता है उसको सर्वे मेथड कहा जाता है। 9 year old is taller than the 7 year old one is the example of 103 that is B, cross sectional। द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन बेसिक रिसर्च एंड अप्लाइड रिसर्च के बीच में यूटिलिटी का डिफरेंस होता है। विच टाइप ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्डर क्रिएट ए रियल वर्ल्ड की लेबोरेटरी जो होती है इसे फील्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट कहते हैं। इन रिसर्च स्टडी टू लर्न द इम्पैक्ट द इंटरनेट सर्फिंग का जो इम्पैक्ट है इसको देखते हैं। दैट इज़ नॉन एज कोरिलेशनल रिसर्च दैट आम एसोसिएटेड विद द थ्योरी एंड मेथड ऑफ इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन एक्शन को जब इंटरप्रिटेट करते हैं तो हर्मेन्यूस्टिक कहते हैं उसको। A research spends several years observing social behavior of people. If there is a social behavior, naturalistic observation is there. A study of two variable when one variable grows and another variable down हो रहा है, that is known as the negative correlation. One goes up and one goes down. So this all about